muslim lang katong mga ko muskut sige mo. La porta kani ko sin tama sin yang ni ba sin. Porta kani ko sin tama to meta sun ko ka. Saya suka kata apa sih takut sama itu. Porta kani ko nampak. Kau dia sama kau, kalau mana kau tiga sama mesin mau bikoi, mesin ni kau menulis tiga mulu, mesin sulit betul. Tolong. Jangan habis.
Atau belum sulit itu kan tulis lagi nak? Belum malam, ramai kita. Ramai kita. Tiga bunga karambut, tiga bunga karambut, tiga bunga karambut. Anu macam tu, tulen kita betul mama. Lalu kita mau tak tersedia.
Fiji lead off with the Fimby. Marvelous challenge by the Fijians, and the Samoans respond in the Simatai. Lelifano kicks off and the match starts with a high kick from Lelifano, caught by Fiji. Dirana towards and to Randra and goes out to the wing with Ravavo still on his feet, 5 meters out from the try line. Kurabali, strong run there by, strong hit by Samoa. Only Nasila. Pick and go by Fijian forwards, just a meter from the try line. Ref blows it up. The penalty to Fiji. Well, that's a great, beautiful play from the interplay from the Fijian players, forwards and backs there. Matthew, quick tap. Oh, that's a try there. And again, kick is wide. 50 throw in, caught by Fiji. Quick ball to the hooker, taken up strongly by the centres. Quick ball again for the tight forwards, rumbling it up for Fiji.
Okay, move
Volley ready to clear the ball. Out to Ikanaveri, who takes it up strongly again. Randra joins the forwards.
Advantage.
Fiji camp 5 meters from the try line again. Pick and go by the Fijian forwards.
Play advantage, offside.
Randra there in the middle with the forwards there. Good try by the Fijian forwards, a meter out from the try line. Having another go on the Fijian forwards. It's working for them, why not? Ball cleared as Fijian just short of the line again. Nikanaveri out to Randra. Ah, that was a beautiful short ball to Masi from Randra to score their second try. As the conversion is good from Mut. And he goes to the back. It looks like it was Darren Alangi who took the ball there. Strong charge by the Fijian photo, mauling the ball all the way up. And never got him to the try line and have scored their third try to the Flying Fijians. Conversion. And it goes left. Taken in by Samoa, who's from trying up their ball. Up to the Fijian try line. No collapses. Now he clears. Goes up to Wayaua. Long ball out. To Tuala. And then to Awang here on the wing. Then ball back in. And Samoa scores a try on the right hand side. Brilliant. You can see that they can benefit from keeping it instead of kicking it to the corners. Quick inside ball to Lelifano, who's runs up to support.
Oh, great vision by Danny Tuala. The inside ball, standing up the defender.
Goes up. He's just wide. And the kick is good. Got good defense from the Fijians. Ravovo takes it up strongly. Beats 1-2 tacklers. Offload to the flying. Some Fijian winger down and knows some on defenders. Yes, Fiji score again through Ravui Tomandra.
Yes, Celestino Ragu Tomandra.
And Monks. And the kick is good, conversion. Taken by Taleni Sewa. Set up there, rolling more by the Samoan forwards. As they rumble up, going sideways. Ball by the new hooker, Malolo takes up strongly. This way they're playing half back, but strong counter by Fiji. Samoa receive the penalty. Quick tap by Chris Boy, who almost makes it to the try line. And now he throws the dummy. Samoa camped there on the line, a meter to go. Fiji, the referee looking intently. And now he releases, quick hands. And Samoa score on the sideline, the side. With Kumo Manu, left winger, scores in the. Tell from the crowd. The kick is good.
Set.
It goes in. Takes the ball out. Ball goes out. Samoa hold it up. Pick up and go by Manu Samoa. Right on the line there. Ball comes out again. Another pick up and go by someone forwards. Third goal, and it's a try. Just on the try line by the skipper. Fritz Lee, who dots down there on the try line. Some strong work there by the side. Conversion is good. Out. Samoa throw in. We're ready to throw in. Samoa win it from Chris Bowie. Samoa ball set up by the forwards. Entering slowly. The ball at the back of the ball by the Hukamalolo. Matavao, quick ball, passes it in. Samoa sets up. 5 meters out. Pick and drive by the Samoan forwards. Referee signals advantage there. This boy picks it up. Heads down. Pick up and go by the Samoan forwards, only a meter away.
Get behind! Hands behind! New advantage.
Another pick up and go. Still a meter away. Chris Vui goes again. Still a meter away. Strong defense from the Fijians. 5th or 6th. Pick up and go by the Samoan forwards. Again, repulsed back by the Fijian defense.
Knock on! Knock on!
Referee was playing advantage there. Quick tap by Matavao. Goes himself.
Knock on!
Picked up by Fiji. Hoofs the ball down.
So, yep.
Agnes Gardner explains to the players.
Cheers, mate. Well done.
It is, in fact,
Thanks, mate. Cheers,
good
buddy.
time here at Apia Park.
Thanks, boys.
The Pacific Nations Cup match between Manu Samoa and Fiji Water, Flying Fijians,
Cheers, Sammy.
with the win today,
See you.
33-19. And we now await the captain's interview, which will be hosted by my co-host today, Matafel George Latu, as we await the players to come off the playing field.